everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
An investment opportunity like no other awaits you in the lush landscape of Three Hills, St. Mary. Mere minutes away from the resort town of Ocho Rios, and a plethora of amenity sits near your new home. This income generating property features 7 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and is designed as a 4 self-contained suites comprising of 3 2-bedroom units and a 1-bedroom flat. The community continues to enjoy a steady rate of development, and property values are trending upwards. Relax and unwind on your rooftop balcony, which spans the entire house. Experience exceptional views of the Jamaican mountain range and sunsets that will take your breath away. The land area of this house is approximately 2,960 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 46.1 million or US 300,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.